Hey, it's Sarah, studio artist at Milk Makeup. Mask Sticks, the solid way to instantly refresh your skin. Mask in a flash. This concentrated formula allows you to use less product. That means you're getting full benefits in just 5 to 10 minutes with no tightening and no hardening on the skin. Want to glow? Grab Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. Swiss Garden Cress Sprout extract brightens skin and helps even tone, while a dose of watermelon extract hydrates the skin all day long. You feel me? You need a detox? Matcha Detoxifying Mask has got your back. Matcha green tea, kombucha, and witch hazel purify and detoxify the skin while absorbing oil and minimizing pores, perfectly balancing your skin. Need major hydration? Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask is here to help. Hemp-derived cannabis seed oil instantly hydrates and helps the skin retain moisture over time. You can wear these masks all over for individual benefits, but I'm going to show you guys how to multi-mask. I'm applying Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask to my T-zone to help with my breakouts and control oil. I'm applying Watermelon Face Mask under my eyes to help brighten. I'm using Cannabis Mask for extra hydration and calming. Let them dry for 5 to 10 minutes and remove with water. Magic! Mask Sticks are gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and vegan always. It is solid self-care.